So today I've gone out with a couple of guys and we're down at the San Pedro del Pinatar. I've probably said that wrong, so I'll put it up anyway. And what I've come to see today, we're looking at the mud baths, and I'm just going to turn the screen around. So this is what we're going to see. People cover themselves in mud. It's supposed to be good for your body apparently. Arthritis, rheumatism, gout, bone fracture apparently. But here comes the models. Car parking's a bit sparse, so if you can get here early, guys, but you know where you are once you see that. But here's the models that be covering themselves in mud. And it's apparently and it'll be we got a bit of a walk, I think.
And we're gonna throw Sean in.
Don't think so. You get a stick up your arse. Ooh. Just a reminder, if you check below this video, there's all the information about this video. Also, please check out my playlist, guys. I've got loads of videos where I live, on Campusel, in the area, Murcia. There's loads. Also, if you want to fund me, that would be fantastic. There'll be a link below. Also, don't forget to check out the Lobster deal. I've got a good deal with Lobster, and not forgetting Currencies Direct. As I always say, guys, you've got to keep watching, or else you're going to miss something. So, as you notice, as you walk down this sort of promenade, you've got all these jetties, and we're on the sort of last one nearly. So I'll just do a shot before, the before after shot. I'll come back in a minute, and you can see already loads of, well, not loads, but people cover themselves in mud, virtually head to foot. There's a lady over there, she's done her face. And the guys, yeah. Anyway, nice place to come to. I've been told that there's a marina over that way that does some nice coffee. Oh, of course, another thing is, it's a great place to bring your bike. Do a lot of cycling. Very busy, and right down the end there, you probably can't see it very well, but right at the end, between the sea, is La Manga and Mar Menor, and I can just work out, I think the end of this promenade, you can see a windmill. I'm trying to think what it was then. So they're going in now. So it looks like you've got to bring a bucket with you somehow, because you've got to get right down. Steve's gone, he said he's virtually got to go in under the water to get it.
What about if you go closer to the...
Hang on. Oh, I've got some on my toes.
I mean, there's some mud up here, but it's a bit dry.
God!
Hey, that's it. Maybe you got to come in a bit.
Yeah.
Maybe you got to come in a bit where it's not so deep.
Very slimy. Oh, there's loads of it here. Oh.
Problem is, how are you going to cover yourself? Oh, he's got some. Steve's got some. Oh, yeah. Oh, there.
Oh, it smells lovely. Oh.
Oh, yeah, it's good for you. Healthy, that is.
I'm going to wash it off when you go under the water. I'll get some more.
Oh, that's lovely, that is. Pete, come on.
Problem is, you're gonna get it off again when you go to the water again.
Go on, go and get me some.
How's it smell?
I'll go down, I'm going to get...
Yeah.
Hold up.
Maybe it's waterproof. No. Yeah, Mandy's putting some on now. Steve's getting some.
There, look.
Yeah.
You want some, Pete?
Is it?
Come on.
Oh, he washed it all off, Steve. So obviously it defeats the object by. So the trick is get in the water first, get all the mud out, pile it up, and then cover yourself in it. But apparently they're saying it didn't smell that much.
Oh, God.
Oh, no, it reeks.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Who egged eggs this morning?
So what it is, it's like putting dead eggs all over you.
Oh, God.
So here's another shot. So they're covering themselves all over now. So all cammed up now. Steve said it's lovely.
Lovely.
Mandy loves it. Pete's looking really good there. He's done his face because he was told he's got to do your face. Nobody else is doing their faces because they're sissies.
Excuse me, who's the one who got in and got all this stuff?
Yeah, well done, you top man. Right, just